Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing the second part of the skincare routine, which is the makeup. So this is something that I've been doing recently as it's coming now into more spring summer where I don't really want to be wearing as much makeup, and I saw that Chloe Morello did this kind of hack where she applied a very minimal amount of makeup. So that is what I'm going to do. And yeah, I'm going to show you. So I kind of let the skin products set into my skin a little bit, just so that then they're not as tacky, if that makes any sense. So yeah, this is what I do. Stop. So what I use is I use a foundation, a liquid contour and a concealer. So the ones that I use is the Rimmel London Kind and Free one, and then the Revolution Bright Eye Contour. I don't know what I've ordered, but this isn't actually a contour, it's a bright eye, under eye, it's concealer. And then I use the Collection Lasting Perfection in the shade Fair. So what I do is I start with the darkest, which is my contour, which is not actually contour, and I just kind of dab it around the perimeter. Like that. And then I go in with my concealer. It's literally takes me like 5 minutes to do this. So a bit of concealer because I have some really bad under eye bags at the minute, really red eyes. Just kind of conceal a little bit. And then I take my foundation and just literally dab dots all over where there's no product, so like on my forehead. So that's all of it. And then I just take a little flat brush like this and just start off by buffing in the foundation. And then I quite like using blush. So one that I've really been enjoying, it's not actually a blush, it's a lip stain, is this one from YSL 102. Doesn't have a name, but I really like it. It's a really deep kind of like plum colour. And then I literally just apply 2 dots on each cheek and 1 on the nose, and then just buff that in. Sorry if the lighting is kind of hit and miss. It's, I'm choosing sunlight, and in the UK the sunlight is a little bit temperamental. Okay, so that is the base done. Oh no, I forgot to put my highlighter on. So this again is the Revolution Bright Lights highlighter. Just add a little bit on here. This kind of look is perfect if you're on holiday because it kind of it's just super natural. So for eyebrows I use the Refy Beauty, and I'm just going to first go in, and I'm looking down at a mirror down here. Just brush them up. I need to actually dye my eyebrows soon because in summer I prefer to just dye them rather than having to fill them in all the time. And then I'm just going in with the pomade. Oh, the sun's back. Oh, it is, oh my god, it's really pigmented as the pomade. Oh my god, that is not okay. Brush that out. So this is the kind of makeup I would wear if I was going shopping last minute, or if, you know, I just was going somewhere during the day where I needed a little bit of makeup. Just something to kind of fill them in a little bit. Also, look at my nails. I love them. Alright, finish these brows. I also just tried a new fake tan. I can't remember what it's called, but it's actually quite nice. Just like a really natural glow, and for me this is quite tanned because I'm super pale. Okay, I think that'll do for brows. I'm just gonna go in with the brow gel stuff, like glue, and just brush that through to this setup. And then just to kind of make sure everything's not gonna budge, and I hate that feeling of having like loads of hair stuck to your face, so I just take a bit of powder. Right, and I'm just gonna go get a lip product and mascara, and I'll be right back. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna curl my lashes. Oh. Okay, I just curled my lashes. If you couldn't hear me, I didn't have my mic on. I'm going to go in with some mascara. This is just the Maybelline, the Colossal Go Extreme. It's really old. Probably should get a new one, but just gonna kiss the lashes with it. And then I'm gonna go in with the YSL lip stain again, and just final few touches. I'm just gonna go in with this Pout Bomb lip gloss with vitamin E from Makeup Revolution. And then just to set it all, going in with a spray. And there, take this down. There we have it. It's super easy, quick, natural makeup look, which I wear most days if I'm wearing makeup. Yeah. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again with another one shortly.